Hi guys, welcome to World Fact Channel. Get ready to witness the raw power of nature as we explore the world's most active volcanoes. From the explosive eruptions of Popocatepetl in Mexico to the effusive lava flows of Kilauea in Hawaii, we'll take you on a journey to some of the most fascinating and dangerous volcanic sites on the planet. Kilauea. Kilauea is one of the world's most active volcanoes and is located on the southeastern side of Hawaii's Big Island. Since its current eruption began in 1983, it has produced spectacular lava flows that have reshaped the island's landscape. Kilauea is known for its effusive style of eruption, but can also produce explosive eruptions and hazardous gas emissions. Despite the potential dangers, Kilauea remains a popular destination for tourists and scientists who are fascinated by the power and beauty of this iconic volcano. Stromboli. Stromboli is a small island located in the Tyrrhenian Sea off the coast of Italy. It is home to one of the world's most active volcanoes, also named Stromboli, which has been erupting almost continuously for thousands of years. What sets Stromboli apart from other volcanoes is its almost constant explosive activity, which has earned it the nickname of the Lighthouse of the Mediterranean. These frequent eruptions produce spectacular displays of lava and ash that can be seen from miles away. Despite its activity, Stromboli is also a popular destination for tourists who are drawn to its natural beauty and unique geological features. Mount Etna. Mount Etna is an active volcano located on the east coast of the island of Sicily in Italy. It is the largest active volcano in Europe and is one of the most active in the world, with a long history of eruptions dating back thousands of years. Etna's eruptions are characterized by frequent explosive activity, lava flows, and ash plumes that can reach heights of several kilometers. Despite its potential dangers, Etna has become a popular tourist attraction, with visitors drawn to its stunning beauty and the opportunity to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring displays of power. Sakurajima. Sakurajima is an active volcano located on the southern island of Kyushu in Japan. It has been erupting almost continuously since 1955, making it one of the most active volcanoes in Japan. Sakurajima's eruptions are characterized by frequent explosive activity, producing ash plumes that can reach heights of several kilometers. Due to its activity, the volcano is closely monitored by scientists and local authorities, and the surrounding area has been evacuated during some of its more violent eruptions. Despite the potential dangers, Sakurajima is also a popular tourist attraction, with visitors drawn to its natural beauty and the opportunity to witness the awesome power of nature. Popocatepetl. Popocatepetl is an active volcano located in central Mexico, near Mexico City. It is the second highest peak in Mexico and has been erupting sporadically for thousands of years. Popocatepetl's activity has increased in recent years, with eruptions characterized by explosive activity, producing ash plumes that can reach heights of several kilometers. Due to its proximity to Mexico City, the volcano is closely monitored by scientists and local authorities, and the surrounding area has been evacuated during some of its more violent eruptions. Despite the potential dangers, Popocatepetl is also a popular tourist attraction, with visitors drawn to its natural beauty and the opportunity to witness the power of an active volcano up close. Mount Merapi is an active volcano located on the island of Java in Indonesia. It has been erupting regularly since the 16th century and is one of the most active and dangerous volcanoes in Indonesia. Merapi's eruptions are characterized by highly explosive activity, producing pyroclastic flows, ash plumes, and lahars that can cause significant damage and loss of life in the surrounding areas. Despite the potential dangers, Merapi is also a popular tourist attraction, with visitors drawn to its natural beauty and the opportunity to witness the power of an active volcano up close. The volcano is closely monitored by scientists and local authorities, and evacuation plans are in place to ensure the safety of nearby communities in case of a major eruption. Nyiragongo. Mount Nyiragongo is an active volcano located in the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is known for its frequent eruptions and its large lava lake, which is one of only a few in the world. Nyiragongo's eruptions are characterized by highly fluid lava flows that can move at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, creating a significant danger to nearby communities. In 2002, a major eruption caused significant damage to the city of Goma, located near the base of the volcano. Despite the potential dangers, Nyiragongo remains an important tourist attraction, with visitors drawn to its unique geological features and the opportunity to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring displays of power. The volcano is closely monitored by scientists and local authorities, and evacuation plans are in place to ensure the safety of nearby communities in case of a major eruption. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the world's most active volcanoes. We hope you enjoyed witnessing the incredible beauty and power of these natural wonders. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.